Imagine yourself in this Ram 2018 1500 Tradesman. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: quick order package 22 by Tradesman included, engine 3.6L V6 24V VVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 845 RE, Tradesman package, gross vehicle weight, 6,800 pounds, STD, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 845 RE, STD, diesel gray black cloth 40/20/40 bench seat, 3.21 rear axle ratio, STD, remote keyless entry with all secure, popular equipment group included, rear floor mats Sirius XM satellite radio 1-year Sirius XM radio service, no satellite coverage with 8K high PR6G. For more info call 800-643-2112. Carpet floor covering, remote keyless entry with all secure, tires,